Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix CapCut auto captions not working, iOS and Android solutions guide. CapCut auto captions fail primarily due to missing microphone permissions, accumulated application cache, or multi-layered audio track corruption on the timeline. You can quickly fix this by enabling app permissions and clearing CapCut's cache from your device settings. Additionally, flattening complex audio layers into a compound clip and ensuring a stable internet connection will allow the cloud AI to transcribe smoothly. Fix 1. Check microphone permissions. On iOS, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then tap on Microphone and toggle CapCut to on. For Android, navigate to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to CapCut, then go to Permissions, then tap on Microphone and select Allow. Fix 2. Clear the app cache. For Android, go to Settings, go to Apps, now find CapCut and click on it, then tap on Storage and tip Clear Cache. For iOS, open CapCut, tap the settings, which is the gear icon in the top right corner. Now select Offload and reinstall the app via iOS settings. Fix 3. Audio and project optimization. Clear old captions. Delete any existing or glitched caption blocks entirely before trying to regenerate. Tap Text menu. Select the text tool icon from the main toolbar at the bottom of your project timeline. Next, select Captions track. Tap directly on any of the generated brown or amber caption blocks underneath your video. Next, delete old text. Choose the delete icon from the options menu to erase all previous subtitles instantly. Second, create a compound track. Select your overlapping audio/video clips, right-click or tap to group them, and create a single compound clip to flatten the audio channel into one file. First, select multiple tracks. Tap and hold or click and drag across the overlapping audio/video clips on your timeline. Next, open Options menu. Right-click the selected clips on desktop or tap the compound option on mobile. Next is to merge the clips. Click or tap Create Compound Clip to flatten them into a single track instantly. Fix 4. Verify language and connection settings. Language matching. Ensure the specific spoken dialect precisely matches your selection in the auto captions prompt menu before tapping Generate. Network stability. Auto captions rely on cloud-based AI servers, so ensure your Wi-Fi or cellular network is stable. Turn off active VPNs unless regional restrictions require one. Next is the audio quality. AI transcription will fail if speech is buried. Boost the global volume track or run CapCut's native noise reduction tool to isolate voices from loud background tracks. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.